When you search for the best 5-gallon water dispensers, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy designs. But to truly find the one that meets your needs, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Casacharm Electric Water Pump. The Casacharm water jug pump immediately caught my eye with its sleek design and budget-friendly price of just $12.99. If you want a portable and efficient way to dispense water without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. This pump has dual powerful motors that allow you to fill a standard 16 Oz cup in just 9 seconds. That's right, no more waiting around for water to flow. It's especially great for homes, offices, or when you're camping. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of heavy lifting or slow pumps, this lightweight gadget is a lifesaver. It fits most standard 2, 3, and 5-gallon jugs, and you don't need to deal with complicated installations. Just press a button and you're good to go. With 4.5 stars from over 2,100 reviews, it's clearly making waves. Now, some people complained about the battery not lasting as long as expected. Here's the thing though, if you're using it daily, it might need a recharge every couple of weeks, but for occasional use, that shouldn't be a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free way to access water at home or when you're out camping. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional water cooler setup. For the price, you're getting a solid value that makes hydration simple. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more permanent solution. Product number 2, Brio Bottom Loading Water Cooler. Next up is the Brio Bottom Loading Water Cooler Dispenser, priced at $183.53. If you want a stylish, hassle-free option that delivers both hot and cold water, this is worth considering. What's great about this dispenser is that it eliminates the need to lift heavy bottles. With a bottom-loading design, you simply slide in your 3 or 5-gallon jug and the machine does the rest. It has 3 temperature settings, hot, cold, and room temperature, so you can enjoy your favorite drink any time of day. The child safety lock is also a fantastic feature, giving you peace of mind around little ones. With over 11,000 reviews boasting a 4-star rating, many have praised its convenience. But I've seen some concerns about the initial setup being a bit tricky. Here's the thing, once you get past that, it's smooth sailing. If you're not tech-savvy, it might take a little patience, but it's worth it for the convenience it offers. This is perfect for you if you want an elegant water cooler that fits well in an office or home. Skip this one if you're looking for something budget-friendly. For the features and build quality, it's a solid investment. Now, if the Brio's price tag put you off, this next option is both affordable and efficient. Product number 3, Casacharm Black Water Pump. Back to the Casacharm family, we have the black water jug pump, also priced at $12.99. If you want the same efficiency and portability but prefer a different color, this is worth a look. Like its blue counterpart, this pump features the same dual motors that fill a 16 Oz cup in 9 seconds. It's lightweight, portable, and designed to fit most standard jugs. This makes it perfect for anyone with limited mobility or those who are always on the go. The fact that it's USB rechargeable is a game changer for camping or traveling. Over 10,000 sold and a 4.5-star rating show it's quite popular. However, some users reported that the pump can be a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a busy kitchen or office, it's not a deal breaker and you'll likely get used to it quickly. This is perfect for you if convenience and portability are your top priorities. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a larger capacity. For under $13, it's hard to beat this value. Alright, that was a great budget-friendly option. But if you need something that filters your water, let's check out the next product. Product number 4, Waterdrop WFD 22L Filter Dispenser. Meet the Waterdrop WFD 22L, priced at $37.99. If you want clean, filtered water without the fuss, this dispenser is a solid choice. This water filter dispenser has a large capacity of 40 cups, perfect for families. It's NSF certified to reduce chlorine and other contaminants, so you'll be enjoying fresh water without worrying about impurities. The smart LED reminder is also a nice touch, ensuring you know when it's time to change the filter. With a 4.5-star rating from 3,600 reviews, many users rave about its performance. but some users mention that the filter replacements can be a bit pricey. Here's my take: if you're serious about clean water, the long-term savings on bottled water can easily offset the cost. This is perfect for you if you want an eco-friendly way to enjoy fresh water. Skip this one if you need something portable. For the price, it delivers excellent filtration without a hefty price tag. Now, if you need a simple solution without all the bells and whistles, check out the next option. Product number 5, BIMVER Quantitative Water Pump. Finally, we have the BIMVER water dispenser, which retails for just $9.69. If you're looking for an economical and easy-to-use solution, this might be it. This device allows you to pump a specific amount of water, 600 ml, making it perfect for portion control. It's made from FDA-grade silicone and is compatible with most 25-gallon bottles. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 2,900 reviews, it's clearly meeting a need. That said, a few users pointed out that the 600 ml feature can be a little limiting if you want larger amounts quickly. But here's the thing: if you're just looking for a quick way to fill cups without lifting heavy jugs, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, no-fuss way to dispense water. Skip this one if you need a cooler-style setup. At this price point, it's a fantastic deal for what you get. So there you have it, the CasaCharm electric pump for quick dispensing, the Brio bottom loader for style and convenience, another CasaCharm option for budget-friendly portability, the water drop filter dispenser for clean water, and finally the BIMVER for simplicity. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what fits your needs best.